Hi team, as part of the trip that I'm going to do out into the desert, communications is going to be a really big factor. And part of that communications package will be handheld radios. And for the trip, I purchased these with my own money. But as you can see here, it's a TX6160 yellow twin pack from GME Radios. Why did I select the GME radios? Because they're Australian built and designed, and I've been running GME radios in my cars for a little while, so they're a trusted name in radios. So let's do an unboxing of these. Okay, it'll be the wife and I doing the trip, so that's why I bought the twin pack in the first place. And of course, first item is the plastic case that it comes in. Now a lot of you won't care about the plastic case, and that's fine, but I really do like it. So here we go. We're opening up. So you get an instruction book or a leaflet in there. We don't need that. I'm a man, I never read the instruction booklets. First thing to note is the two radios that come in. They have belt clips and they're bright yellow form factor. Okay. Now these are Australian spec 80 channel narrowband radios, but of course you can still communicate with people with 40 channel radios, which I've got in my car. The other thing comes with is a twin charger and a 240 volt Australian outlet, but for charging on the road it comes with a cigarette lighter adapter that plugs into the radio somewhere. Into. We'll have a look at that in a little while. Maybe I have to take the battery off, I don't know. Let's have a look. I'm curious now. No, alright, we'll have a look at that later. These are my favourite things, these speaker microphones. They are not to be underrated. They're pretty good quality too, by the feel of them. And you get one of those for both radios. These earpiece microphones, if you wish to look like a Secret Service agent, which I never do. And that's it. I'm a little disappointed that it doesn't come with two of these, but I'll get over that disappointment fairly quickly, I'm pretty sure. So there you go, that's the unboxing of the radios. I won't turn it on, and I'll have a look at how we charge that using the charger. Right folks, that's the unboxing for the GME radios. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
A few moments later.
So just a quick note that I've come up with in the radio with the 12 volt cigarette socket. It doesn't actually plug into the radio, which is a problem. It plugs into the base. So you need to be, you can't easily charge that while you're driving along or something like that. You're running low that day, for instance. You've got to charge it in the cradle, but it will charge both radios at the same time, I presume, or one at a time. But that's disappointing. Yeah, and that explains why it only has one cigarette lighter socket, because you can only plug it into the base.